Hello ladies and gentlemen, Martin here, and today we are finally putting this motor back in this godforsaken vehicle. I'm probably not going to start today because I haven't got any oil in it right now, so that probably wouldn't be a good idea to do. But we're just going to get it in, get the wire harness all attached, and pretty much just get her back in, and probably in the next video I'll be starting her up. So but yeah, let's start dropping this beautiful motor in. Okay, so now we have the motor in the Eclipse. Got it pretty much on the mounts, beside the bottom one. That's acting a little weird, so I'll probably have to take off the actual bottom motor mount and do the hard way. Now we're going to start plugging up the wire harness. I'm not going to start today because putting it in, I did end up breaking the crank angle sensor or crankshaft position sensor, whatever one it is on this car. The problem is with that is on the 95 it has the round pins that are in the actual sensor, and in 97 they completely changed the harness on that just one sensor and they went to flat pins, and they don't sell the round pins anymore. So now I'm gonna have to buy pretty much a conversion that comes with the sensor, with a pigtail, with a little bit of extra wire to tie into your harness here. So, but pretty much we're gonna plug up the rest of the wire harness and pretty much be done. So yeah, let's finish hooking up the wire harness. Okay, so pretty much the wire harness now is all tucked away. Besides, you know, the sensors that are broken. I mean, there's really no reason to plug them in then, because, you know, the sensor's broken. Tried to pull out the, you know, the crankshaft sensor. It broke off inside the block, you know, like they fucking do. So, pretty much now, gonna get one of them, replace that. Get some oil, put some oil in it. Since I dropped the motor trying to put it in, I gotta get another oil filter because, you know, put a pinhole in it. Besides that, doing good and dandy. Need to charge the battery as well, but that's gonna be it for this video. The next video, probably gonna start it up. I don't know. We'll have to see. Probably just be me, more than likely just replacing that crank angle sensor on the motor. It might just be that, more than likely. I don't know. But I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I'm glad the motor's finally back in the car. This car has sat without a motor for a good quiet touch of time. But I'd like to thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time.